Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, no matter where you are in the world. This is Howie, and I'm here to help you win with money. Today is May 5th, 2021. We're in the middle of the week number 18. As you can see, the markets they open up in the green, and now the markets are reversing. The first trade that I put on is I've rolled Chronos. This is a cover call. I rolled it out one more week, and I rolled it down and out for a small credit. Next is RIOT blockchain. Every week I try to roll these forward. So I'm rolling it. I'm already in the money and I'm doing a cash secure put. So I'm just rolling it down every week. Nothing fancy here. So let me try to get these across. And as you can see at 10:20 and 10:21, I rolled both of my cash secure puts down. And again, small premiums. Not a lot, $25. This one is $35. And now what's interesting is this. I've been rolling them down almost every week on a Monday. Obviously today's a Wednesday. I waited a few days, and there's a reason for that. If you look at the Bitcoin price, a couple of weeks ago, Bitcoin was at 50,000 and RIOT blockchain was actually trading at over $45 or $50 a share. Blockchain has sort of settled in this range between 52 and let's say 56, yet RIOT blockchain keeps on falling. So the market is trying to remove some of the premium and the shares are still going down. So what I expect will happen is at some point, I don't want to say RIOT will be fairly valued, but obviously, I don't really care. I'm always rolling down. I'm releasing some of my buying power back to my hands. I'm collecting up credit still. But there is a disconnect, which means this was overpriced or maybe now it's underpriced. And I don't really care which one it is. What I'm trying to do is reduce my risk and collect profit each week. And that's the beauty of stock market. As we're recording, you can see the markets are starting to turn a little bit. And what I cared about was really about RIOT. If you look at RIOT, when I did the trade earlier, it was actually negative. And you see this rise here. This is exactly what I was talking about. And I'll show you what I mean. You see how it's range bound still? It's still between 52 and 56. Now, it did break out a little bit, but I'm not even worried about that. What I was looking at earlier when I was recording, it was around 54 maybe. I don't remember exactly. But the point was, RIOT was still trending in the opposite direction of what the Bitcoin was doing. So that's what I was looking at. I was looking at the disconnect between what's happening with the underlying and what's happening with blockchain or Bitcoin. And the last thing that I needed to do was I have to fix some of my other iron condors on SPY. I told you guys I've been having a hard month in April and it carries forth into May. So I had to roll this one out. I lost money here. It cost me a lot of money because originally I had a 420 and I moved it to a 428. So I probably lost $800 on that move, but I had to protect my risk and I wanted to limit my maximum risk. And then in order to make up for it, I had to roll other stuff up. So by pushing this iron condor out, I had to roll a untested side of the put up to collect some income. That's what I end up doing. So I wanted to let you know that, and as I bring this video to an end, don't forget, let's do this together. Let's do this $1 at a time and have a profitable day. Bye-bye.